everyone, welcome back to the channel. Join us in this week's video for another family adventure in our VW campervan as we explore more of the Lake District. Unsure what to do, with so much on offer, we put it to a vote.
Right, so we're just in the van now. We're just about to leave Coniston Coppice campsite. Had a really great stay here. It's been a brilliant campsite, so check out our last video for our campsite review on that one. I'll put a link to it in the description. So today we're moving on. Going to do a bit of sightseeing on the way. So we're going to have a bit of a vote as to what we do. So hands up, who wants to do a walk around Lake Buttermere? Hands up, who wants to go up Catbells Mountain? It's 3 against 1.
Uh-oh.
I don't think it's a very big mountain, and I think technically it's probably not a mountain as well. But anyway, that's what we're going to do today. Then we're going to head over to Catbells and we're going to climb up a mountain.
Yay!
Come with us. So we just got to Catbells now. The drive here was absolutely stunning. Driving past some of the lakes and the mountains and stuff. Honestly, such a scenic drive. The only thing I can liken it to is maybe the A82 up through Glencoe in Scotland, similar to that. But yeah, we're here now at Catbells, £5 for the day parking. So yeah, we're looking forward to getting up there and seeing the views. Who's ready to climb a mountain?
No.
Just had a nice little picnic, didn't we?
Yep.
Picnic of champions, Borzan and Baguette. Name a better picnic lunch if you can. Let us know in the comments. Right, let's go. We've just started the walk. About 2 minutes in. How you finding it, Em?
Are we there yet?
Only another mile to go.
Wait, have we already been a mile?
No, we've barely even started. We haven't even gotten to the proper path yet. Right, here we go. Already the views are really good. But it is steep. This is supposed to be one of the easiest ones apparently. But it is very steep, so just a warning if you come here thinking that this is going to be really easy, and maybe it is if you're an experienced mountaineer. But for us, this is steep. you getting on? Not even halfway yet. Having fun?
Yeah. Still haven't done it now.
No, you haven't. You've still got that to go. We can't come all this way and not go to the very top. It's not the top. Come on. Not long to go now, guys. Look, just got to get up there. It's the summit. There's Edmund Hillary charging off ahead. Experienced mountaineer. And there's Tenzing Norgay. Two, three. We've reached the top.
Woo!
Was it worth it?
No. Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah, it was really good. The views up here are just absolutely epic, aren't they?
Yeah,
Stunning. Absolutely stunning.
So we took a pause for a short while to take in the views, which were totally epic. We would highly recommend this walk, especially for those with kids. As at 450 metres and about an hour's walk to the summit from the car park, it is totally doable, and it definitely feels like a mountain, as it has many mountainous features and a bit of a scramble, which is great fun. It's also well worth noting that there is a conveniently placed ice cream truck at the bottom if your kids or yourself need an incentive.
How was that for you?
Yeah, it's good. I need an ice cream now.
Yeah.
It's funny, all the way up and down, you could just hear people
Yeah.
with their kids, like encouraging them by saying, "Come on, if we do this, we'll get an ice cream from the ice cream van on the way back."
Yeah, conveniently there's an ice cream van right at the bottom next to the car park, which is something to bear in mind if you come in there with kids. And I'd say it's easily doable with kids, isn't it? It's not.
Yeah, there's loads of people, kids, and really little kids as well.
Yeah, so it's a bit challenging, it's a bit scrambly in some places, but yeah, it's not too difficult, and it's really good fun, and it's really rewarding as well with the reviews and stuff. Like, absolutely amazing. So yeah, definitely a fun adventure for a family, I think, that one, Catbells.
That definitely heard the word ice cream about 100 times.
Yeah, mostly from our daughter. And the ice cream shop also sells delicious ice creams and Catbells magnets. So you're going to do the honours, Celeste? Sorry about the mess. Good job. Catbells, completed it, mate. So we've just stopped at the Castlerigg Stone Circle just to have a quick look, but everyone else is too tired to get out and see it. So I'm just going to go and quickly check it out myself, because I do love a stone circle because I'm a geek. So, I'm never one to pass up the opportunity to see a stone circle. I just find them so mysterious and fascinating, and often they're just there in a field next to a road, totally inconspicuous, with nothing other than a small information board to tell you a bit of information about them. This one, Castlerigg near Castlerigg, is extra special, with stunning panoramic views of the mountains and the lake. It's actually one of the oldest known circles in the UK, said to date back to around 3200 BC, making it older than Stonehenge and the pyramids. I love how little we truly know about the people who put them there and why. We can only make our best guesses. I really enjoyed my short time walking around the stones and taking in the views. For me, this was the perfect way to round off what had been a fantastic day in the Lake District. So that's a wicked little stop off on the side of the road. You can literally just park up at the side of the road and walk there. It takes like 2 minutes, and the views of all the mountains and stuff around is just, yeah, it's beautiful. But you guys will just have to wait until I make the video to see that. Anyway, we're going to the campsite now. I think we're all a bit tired. It's getting on a bit, so yeah, I think we all just need a bit of a chill out now and have some food and stuff. So see you in a bit. Okay, so that's the end of our little journey through the Lake District today. Really wish we could have had longer and explored more places, because just everywhere you look, it's just beautiful, stunning landscapes everywhere. But I think we picked a good one going at Catbells, because that was wicked. Really enjoyed that.
Even I liked it.
Even you liked it. She's going to be a mountaineer now. Next stop, Ben Nevis. Here we come. But no, seriously, it was really good. So we're just pitched up here now at Troutbeck campsite. So we'll show you around here in our next video. It's really nice, by the way.
It is really nice.
So we'll show you some more of that in the next week's video, so keep an eye out for that. So if you want to support our channel, it'd really help us out if you could give us a like, drop us a comment, let us know what your favourite places are in the Lake District, and hopefully when we come back we can check out more of them. And yeah, if you could consider subscribing as well if you haven't done so already, we would really appreciate that. But until the next one, we'll see you soon, and yeah, take it easy.
Bye.